All right, so I've been seeing this question kind of floating around the internet, and I think somebody asked it on my channel the other day on one of the cars we were repairing or fixing. I forget which one it was, but the question was, can I put WD-40 on my serpentine belt? And the answer is no. So if you have a belt, a serpentine belt that is screeching or squealing, especially when you start it up, you don't want to put WD-40 on that because it's not going to help to quiet it down, and you're going to get, WD-40 all over everything. It's going to get slippery and it's going to make a big mess. You typically don't want to use belt dressings either. They may temporarily get rid of the screeching and squealing noise in your belt. So what the dressings will do is it'll make the rubber on the belt a little more grippy and sticky, but it degrades the serpentine belt and it'll actually kind of come apart a little bit and get stuck on the pulleys and it'll make a big mess. And if you hear screeching in the background, that's actually a golden retriever with a squeaky toy. So sorry about the noise, but it is what it is. Anyway, that's my dog Shannon playing with her ball. But yeah, the best way to go about that stuff is just replace the serpentine belt. We've been doing a lot of videos on that kind of stuff too lately to try to help you guys out. But if you need to replace a serpentine belt, come to the channel, check out the channel, see if we've got one for you, and we'll load in more as we go on here. But yeah, just a word of advice: don't use the belt dressing. Don't use WD-40. If the belt is fine, it could be you just might have a belt tensioner going bad. So check the serpentine belt tensioner. If you see it wobbling around like that, that could be broke. And if the belt is good, then you might just want to replace the tensioner. If the belt is cracked and that thing's wobbling around, you might have to replace both. But I hope this helps you out, and hope it helps to answer a question for you. Thanks for checking us out. We greatly appreciate it, and don't forget to sub to the channel. Take it easy.